In this video, we will introduce you to the cards available in the Mine section. Cards and Battle Bulls are your ultimate key to increasing the earn per hour balance. This key balance determines your overall profit from the gameplay. From this balance, the airdrop will be available, exchanging the accumulated game currency for real cryptocurrency and withdrawing it to a wallet. Game euros in the earn per hour balance accumulate over 3 hours. After 3 hours, the balance accumulation stops, and you need to log into the game and transfer the accumulated amount to your game balance. After this, the earn per hour balance accumulation starts again. To start accumulating the earn per hour balance, you need to purchase cards in the Mine section. The game offers more than 70 cards. The cards vary in theme, level, and potential profit. Various categories of cards are available: technology, lifestyle, business, and battle champion. The profit amount of a card depends on its level. When you unlock each card, its cost, level, and additional profit it will bring are specified. Each card functions indefinitely. However, after an airdrop from the earn per hour balance, the card stops generating income until you upgrade the card. Let's break down how it works with an example. You have a level 5 card that allows you to earn 345 game euros on the earn per hour balance. You perform an airdrop from the earn per hour balance. The card remains with you, but stops generating profit. You need to upgrade the card to level 6, and then the card will start adding 350 units of game currency to the balance. Each card has its own cooldown period. It's the time after which you can upgrade the card's level. Upgrading the card increases the earn per hour rate. Here's an example with a 10-minute cooldown. You acquire a level 1 card. A 10-minute timer starts. During this period, you are blocked from upgrading the card to level 2. After 10 minutes, you can upgrade the card to level 2. Upgrading the card's level is paid for with game euros. Cards are already available in the Mine section. Go there and acquire cards to make the game truly profitable and get the most out of Battle Bulls.